1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Pray for Palestine and Israel. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. John chapter 3, verse 16 and 17, New King James Version. I cannot help but to be honest and say that this 1 minute inspiration will spark controversy. However, that is not the intent. It is just food for thought to spark unity instead. We must realize that during this war raging in the Middle East right now, there are Christians on both sides. Yes, that is true. There are Christians from both a Palestinian and Jewish background who are caught in opposing ends of this war. So we, as Christians outside of the region, do not want to add fuel to the fire. We cannot trust and live our lives by what the media reports because the news is always spinning the news to fit political or social agendas. As a result, we must be careful to be compassionate and loving to all mankind. Because our political views can override our Christian views if we are not careful, we can cause division in the church. A lot of people are hurting on both sides of this war. The church is sending humanitarian aid to both sides of the conflict and sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ to both sides of the war. Let's be an ally to Jesus, winning souls for Christ, and loving our fellow man from all backgrounds first and foremost. Let these things rule our thoughts, conversations, and deeds instead of bias, traditions, and bad news we have received for centuries regarding this conflict that has recently come to a head again. Remember, Christ is for all. We cannot share him with others if we don't love them first. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.